Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of season 3 in the hairstyle for work series. Now guys, this video doubles as a hair hack as well as one of the styles I have been using for the past couple of months to go to work, because it literally takes me 5 minutes to accomplish. I am living it in real time so you all can see, but I am taking my pick comb. I am separating my hair into 2 sections with a side part. Now guys, at the end of this video, I would have accomplished a slick low bun without having that added pressure on my edges because of this hack that I have been using. I can't remember how I came up with it, but I came up with it and it has been working so well. Now if you're a person who likes using gels, this would be perfect to put in your gel so that you can have it extra slick. But as you all know, I don't like gels, so I just go ahead, brush my hair. So once I have those 2 parts in, I take my hair tie and I put the first section to the back and I try to put it as much to the middle of the hair that I can get it. As low as I can get it and as much to the middle that I can get it. Once I am done with that first section, I move on to the next and I do the exact same thing. Don't mind me guys, I am passing that comb through my hair way more than I should because I just loved feeling how soft and how smooth the hair was. But guys, what I noticed before when I tried putting my hair into a slick bun to the back and I put a side part, it never stayed. So the side part would always disappear once I tried pulling the hair back into an actual bun. So I came up with this so that I could get the side part to remain when I tried doing a low bun with a side part. And let me tell you, this has been working amazingly. So this hack guys, let me tell you, try it and you will absolutely love putting your hair back into a slick bun that way, because it just works wonderfully. So once I am done putting those 2 sections, I then take a third hair tie and I bring them together. This is where we accomplish our low bun. Look at it guys, like there was never a part in the middle. All you have is your part to the front, looking all nice and slick. Yep, I did my happy dance because it's just so amazing how well this works and how the hair just comes together so nicely in that low bun. Now when you do this guys, there are a number of ways that you can style the end of the hair. I have done it in like donut buns, I have done it in braids, but today I am doing 2 twists. So I separate the hair into 2 separate sections to the back and I put it in 2 very loose twists so that I can bring them together and pin it. Now guys, as you would have already noticed, I am leaving this tutorial in real time so that you all can see that it really takes no time at all for me to accomplish this hairstyle. I take my rubber band once I am done putting in those twists, I bring them together and then I take a bobby pin so that I can tuck it at the bottom of those hair ties. And there you have it guys, my slick low bun with no pressure at all on my edges, and it's just so beautiful. It's so full, it's just so gorgeous. It's just so gorgeous. But let me know guys what you think. Let me know if you try this and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.